I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your device OS is current and backup accessibility settings. This prevents data loss when changing system flags. Next, grant necessary admin or accessibility permissions to the app or service you want to keep active. Once done, open power and battery saver settings and disable any aggressive app sleep or auto-restart rules that can shut accessibility services off. Make sure device rules for background activity allow persistent processes. These initial steps prevent common automatic shutdown causes. Now dig into detailed configuration to make accessibility persistent. For Android, enable auto start and background activity, and in developer options, allow the service to run without being killed. For iOS, ensure background app refresh and notifications are set for that accessibility app. Reapply the accessibility profile or toggle the specific service off and on to rebuild its state. Once done, test with a continuous input or timer if the service stops. Note the exact point it fails to isolate the cause for the final steps. Finish by rebooting the device and verifying accessibility remains enabled while you perform normal tasks like calls or media playback. If it still turns off, clear the app cache, reinstall or update the accessibility app, and reset system accessibility preferences to defaults before reconfiguring. Make sure to check for conflicting apps such as battery savers, task killers, or privacy managers that can revoke permissions. If issues continue, capture logs or exact steps when it fails so you can target the specific conflict or file a support ticket.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.